pretty cool. Small robots. That's kind of what they do. They're robots, but you can actually use them. Just click the use button on your. Oh, your robot. I don't think you can fly though. Oh, yeah. If you want to get out, you just hold pretty much any button. You can see right there, self-destruct. You can actually open your stash if you did not know that. And I just wonder if I take out this. If I do that and then go out. Okay, yeah, he holds it. I think you can hold stuff like yourself. .00. Oh my god, it's kind of hard. Come on. Let's go. As you see, I cannot hold stuff. I think I am immortal to people or stuff. Someone check that out. Because my hands are kind of bugged when I'm falling. Okay, yeah, I am in fact immortal. How to get out though? Yeah, so I can pretty much. I think I can actually kill people with the explosive of the robot. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. It could work. It could not work. I really do not know. I don't know. I was just like a diamond because the blue picture. How do I get out of here then? Oh wow, that's kind of hard to do. How do I get out? Oh god, I suck. Oh no, I think I just have to die. Oh no, you literally just come back. So this is the last robot I'm gonna use. It's pretty cool though. I like sunglasses, pretty good flips. I just wish that these wheels actually worked. Do you show up in the thing here? Not sure, let's find out. Whee! Okay, you do actually. Yeah, see, you got wheels, but they don't really work. Immersive! Hold any button to self-destruct. Robomonkey 2000. Yeah. This is pretty cool parkour. Goodbye.